Kaohsiung, Taiwan. A highway accident sets a chemical tanker ablaze, creating a deadly emergency. The truck is filled with styrene, one of the world's most dangerous industrial chemicals. The substance is highly toxic and extremely explosive. The poisonous fumes threaten the lives of the firefighters who are trying to contain the inferno. But there's another danger. The tanker's internal cooling system has failed, and now the styrene is a ticking time bomb. The men use high-pressure hoses in an attempt to cool down the wreckage. But they're fighting a losing battle. Suddenly, the tanker explodes, filling the sky with a monstrous cloud of flames and burning ash. Watch again as 4,000 gallons of styrene ignite into a cyclone of fire, raining molten debris down on the helpless firefighters. Although 4 men suffer burns, no one is killed by the massive blast. Incredible.
Along a major trucking artery in southern Taiwan, a semi has just rear-ended a tanker truck. The tanker contains 25 tons of a highly flammable chemical called styrene, and the spreading fire threatens to detonate the tanker. Firefighters attack the flames at all angles, but the fire refuses to submit. The pressure inside the cylinder builds as firefighters struggle to cool the tanker. The intensity of the heat creates tornado-shaped flames shooting from the tanker. It's a final warning. Firefighters retreat as burning shrapnel pelts them from above. A reporter on the scene runs to an injured fireman. Further analysis reveals the flames surrounding the styrene-filled tank heated the chemical beyond its combustion point of 914 degrees. This spontaneous ignition erupts more than 250 feet into the air. The blast instantly vaporized all 25 tons of the chemical inside the tanker. With no fuel to burn, the fire dissipates. Damage is widespread. The cab of the tanker looks like a bombed-out shell. As for the semi, all that remains is its charred and melted chassis. In the end, 4 firefighters received only minor injuries when this tanker truck exploded and shook this Taiwanese highway.
A highway in Taiwan is turned into a parking lot because a truck's on fire, and it's full of thousands of gallons of hazardous chemicals. Now, the driver hit his brakes too hard when he came to a toll booth. A second truck rear-ended him, and that's how the fire started. Firefighters try to put it out, but no such luck. After an hour, they decide they'd better back off and let it burn itself out. Which is real smart, 'cause damn! Good thing them dudes got out of there. We gotta see that again in slow-mo. It's an instant huge mountain of flame. That stuff falling out of the sky? Well, that's fire. Watch it from camera B across the highway. Right before it happens, cops stop traffic on the other side of the road.
We blocked off the flow of cars from the south. Approximately 1 minute after that, it exploded.
Look at camera B again. The blast would have wiped out any cars on that side of the road. The firefighters ain't hurt too bad. The flames torch a building set back off the road. And the two trucks, they got smoked. Whoa, dude, that's some serious power.